Okay, here we've got the BMW R1200GS. Now this is the TE model and it's a 2015. As you can see, it comes with the BMW luggage. It's a good extra to have on this bike. Also, with the BMWs, these are shaft drive, so there is no chain and sprocket on it. It's driven by a drive shaft. Everything nice and clean on the engine there. And look in there, that has got the Gear Shift Pro, which is the quick shift. And it has also data tag on there. You can also see it's got the protection bars there for the engine. Looking at the disc there, you can also see it's got ABS braking system on this as well. Nice clean bike this, in silver and blue. It's also got the front fog lights, as you can see there. This bike has got one former keeper, and the former keeper has had this serviced at a BMW dealership, and he's had this done at all the correct recommended service intervals. All the receipts are in the book pack, and also the service book has been stamped by the dealer. This bike is a credit to its former keeper as well. In very good condition. You can also see there it has got the dynamic ESA, which is the adjustable suspension. I will show you that in a moment on the dash. This has also got the tyre pressure sensors, so it also displays the tyre pressure on the dash for you as well. Also, as you see there, it's got the mud flinger on, stops the mud from kicking up onto the back. Let's go and have a look up at the dash there. So as you can see, this has got cruise control. There's the adjustable suspension on that. On your menus, things are adjusted on this jog wheel. Also click side to side. Over on the other side, you've got your button for your heated grips and your mode for your suspension. I'll show you that with the ignition on. It's also ready for the sat-nav. So if you've got a BMW sat-nav, you can just click that straight in there. It'll lock in, takes the power from that, runs from there. You've also got your dial on the front to adjust the front screen angle as well, so you can have it either up or down. flick the ignition on, you will notice on the ignition as well there, the ABS lights do flash. They will keep flashing until you move off. That is standard on most bikes. So on there, as you can see, it says, at the moment it says road. If you flick the mode button, which I'm going to flick over there, it'll swap it to dynamic, enduro or rain, back to road. And over on the other side, where the spring is on that, when you press that, this will go to hard, soft or normal. You'll also notice the little helmet underneath there. That's showing that this is set up just for the rider. Now, same button again, you press and hold it, it'll flash and it'll change to one rider plus luggage. So if you press and hold it, that's if you've got pillion passenger. Display with the two helmets. And what that actually does when it's running is it adjusts the suspension up and down to accommodate that, so it'll take up the sag in the spring. I'll pop that back to there. Have a look. Mileage on there is 17,048. Okay, let's start this up now. Right, we're going to move on to the boxes. I'll just give you a quick demonstration on how you can extend these. BMW boxes. These boxes extend. All you have to do, open them up like so. Inside, you've got a little lever. On this lever, pull this down, locks in place. You've got more luggage space. Obviously, if you're not going to put stuff in there, you want to open it, push the lever back in, close that up, it reduces the width of the bike. Right, you can also do the same with the back box. You can extend this. So again, open the box up, inside, got the lever, pull the lever, lock it in place, box is extended. Same again, if you want to reduce it, inside, grab the lever, pull it down, box is back to its compact size.